Convoy, why? But why?
We are trying to record her.
But why? Why? But why?
Don't mention my question.
What actually he is not doing anything. He is not doing anything. Bye bye.